Hi friends, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Vedic Yatra. Before I start this topic, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, right? And press the bell icon button also so that you don't miss out on my videos. So today we are going to talk about the astrological combinations for becoming an actor. Nowadays, many young people want to become an actor, want to join this glamorous line, want to be the part of this glamorous industry. So, what is acting? We all understand what acting is. It is the act to play the role, act to play the character, and for this, good creativity is required, dialogue delivery in front of the camera is required, right? So, let's understand what all planets are responsible for this and how planets can help us to become an actor. So, the main planets which are required for acting are the first is Mercury. Mercury is the very important planet for acting. Mercury, as we all understand, is a planet for communication, uh, mimicry, intelligence, memory, and so this planet has the ability to imitate any character and perform the same. So, Mercury should be related to second house, third house, 10th house, 11th house in the horoscope in order to become an actor. Mercury is the planet that gives acting skills to a person, right? And if the person wants to become a good actor, then the Mercury should be related to second house, third house, 10th house, 11th house for a person to get name, fame, and wealth. So, the second important planet is Venus. Venus is the planet which is necessary to become actor because Venus is for beauty, Venus is for charming personality. Venus is very important for an actor. It gives glamorous look. If Venus is placed well in the horoscope, but Mercury is not well placed, then in such a case, the person can become a good model, but not a very good actor. So, in order to become a very good actor, Mercury has to be strong. In order to have the full combination of the actor, Mercury and Venus both needs to be strong. So, if Venus is placed well in a person's horoscope, but Mercury is not well placed, then in such a case, the person can become a good model, but not a good actor. There are many such actors in Indian cinema who are not good looking, but good in acting. So for this, the Mercury is stronger than Venus. Now, we all understand that media, fashion, cameras, all comes under Venus. Venus is the second most important planet that is connected with the media world, that is connected with the cinema, that is connected with dance, song, music. So Venus plays a very important role for glamour, acting and media line. So if a person wants to earn his livelihood from the acting, somewhat affliction in Venus is required because if Venus is not afflicted, the person is not able to perform in front of unknown people and the camera. So somewhat of affliction in Venus is required. Now, the third planet which is responsible for acting is Rahu. Rahu also plays a very important role in the film industry because Rahu rules technology, media, makeup. We all know that Rahu is illusion, right? So makeup comes under the preview of Rahu. What we see in front of camera, what we see, on a screen is not the personality that we really know. So here Rahu creates an illusion. So Rahu is very important for becoming an actor. Then the planet which is important is Moon. we all understand that moon is very soft and gentle planet. Moon represents our mind. So success cannot be achieved in any field unless mind is good. In order to cope up with the ups and downs of the acting field of the cinema, a competent actor must be emotionally very strong and moon should be very strong. The sun. Sun is also an important planet for acting because sun is the lord of the fifth house in Kalpurush Kundli. So the fifth house is basically for creativity, right? And sun is also responsible for fame and dignity. So sun is also a very important planet for acting. So what are the houses which are responsible for acting? Let's discuss that. First is first house. As we all know that the ascendant and the ascendant lord should be very strong, for any person to become successful in life. The second house is also important for acting career because it represents speech, dialogue delivery, and the support system. The face is comes under the purview of second house. Eyes, tongue, teeth, the face whole, comes under the second house. The voice also plays a very significant role, and if the person is into singing and anchoring, then second house we need to consider. The another house which plays very important role in acting career is third house because it signifies communication, hard work, courage, media, dancing, online media, television. So third house and its lord should have good connection with the acting related houses. The other house which is important for acting is fourth house because fourth house represents public masses. So connection between 12th house with the fourth house is very important for an actor along with the third house. The next house is fifth house. As I have already discussed that fifth house is for creativity, fifth house is for entertainment, theatre, fun, music, drama, romance, love, right, and the creative skills. So Lagna Lord, 10th Lord must make connection with fifth house, fifth Lord to give fame and recognition. Then the seventh house is also very important because seventh house again represents masses, stage performance, partnership, business, and public image. Eighth house represents hidden talent, then sudden limelight. 10th house is a very important house for every one of us in any career. 10th house represents fame, workplace, control over people, authority, power position, right? So famous people generally have a very strong 10th house and this is the karma sthan also. So planets which are posited in the 10th house or lose the 10th house plays a very important role in the name and the fame. Now comes the 11th house which is the income house. 11th house is fulfillment of desires, gains, mass communication, network circle which is very important in the media line. Then again the 12th house is of hidden talent, imagination, expenses, bad comfort. So these houses needs to be very strong for becoming actor, right? The connection between these houses should show first house, second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, seventh house, eighth house, 10th house and the 11th house. See, friends, it's not necessary to have all the combinations present in the chart, right? We have to see the majority of the combinations in the chart, and whatever majority of the combinations are present in the chart and whatever houses and laws they are connecting to, it defines the acting career accordingly, right? Because everyone is not so famous, everyone is not not a very good actor. Everyone is not so rich, right? So the houses which are prominent in the horoscope, along with making combinations for acting, will decide what kind of actor the person is going to become. So, if someone wants to become a successful actor, then in that case, yogas for wealth and prosperity must be present in the chart. More the number of yogas, more the number of dhana yogas, raja yogas, fame yogas, the more successful the person will be. Some yogas which needs to be present in the chart are wealth yogas, Gajkeshri yogas, Raj yogas, Kirti yoga, Panch Mahapurush yoga, and Chandramangal yoga. These are the yogas are seen mostly in actors chart, right? We have analyzed many actors chart and saw these prominent yogas present in those charts, right? So, what are the combinations for becoming an actor? The combinations are that lot of first, third, fifth, seventh, 10th, and 11th house should be connected. Right. So, third house, fourth house, 12th house, 12th lord, 10th house, and 11th house plays a very important role in becoming the actor. Houses second, 10th, 11th, and their lords must be connected with 5th house, Lord, and Venus for name, fame, and wealth. Venus should be related with first, fifth, seventh, third, or 10th house or Lord for good acting career. Venus and Rahu are the main planets for the cinema, for the movie industry. So they should be related to 10th, 5th house and their lords. And the dasha also plays very important role. The dasha at the time of acting career should be related to 5th house, 10th house, Venus. Rahu Dasha can also bring an actor in limelight and a huge fan following, and at times 8th house and 8th lord can also give sudden recognition if there are good Raj Yogas and Dhan Yogas made in the 8th house. Like we have seen in the case of Amitabh Bachchan, 8th house is very prominent, and in 8th house majority of Raj Yogas are present. The Dhan Yogas are present. That's why he is such a popular star. Uh, you know. So Saturn also plays a very important role for long-term career, and Saturn relationship with the third house, 10th house, 11th house, and the lords, gives a long lasting career in acting. So, and fourth house and fourth lord also. So, Saturn's relationship with the third house, third lord, Lagna lord, fourth house, fourth lord, and 10th house and 11th house plays a very important role for long lasting career. So this is all about for becoming an actor, right? And if you have any questions, any queries, you can always contact me. So wish you all the best, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, right? Have a good day. Thank you so much.